So we're here at Dyson's offices in London to learn about the new Airblade tap which they're launching today, and Chris Osborne, lead engineer of the project, is going to tell us all about it.
So the Dyson Airblade tap, we've effectively combined the functions of a tap and a hand dryer, an Airblade hand dryer. So you can wash your hands and dry your hands in the same location over the sink. So it still relies on 430 mph sheets of air scraping the water off your hands. The biggest difference obviously with existing Airblades is there's 2 sheets of air. On this one there's only 1, so you have to turn your hands over when you're drying.
You've presumably had to compress the technology to fit it into the tap.
The biggest improvement that we've made is the new Dyson digital motor. So we've compressed the original digital motor by integrating the electronics. It now fits inside a 85mm diameter shell. That all is hidden away in the motor bucket assembly here, which is concealed beneath the sink. So this is the digital motor. This is pulling around 30 litres of air every second up through a HEPA filter here. This is filtering the dirty bathroom air. It's then pushing that air up through a hose into the tap assembly above the sink. From here it's pushed through 2 0.8mm slots to create the blades that dry your hands. All the functions in the one place. You no longer have to wash your hands on one side of the bathroom, walk across the bathroom, dripping water on the floor to dry them somewhere else. It's all in one place.
Is this something that you imagine that we'll see in washrooms, in stations and restaurants, or is it something that people might actually have in their homes?
Well, we've designed it for commercial environments, so it's like hotels, stadiums, things like that, but there's no reason why people can't put it in their homes.
And how much does this technology cost?
So we've spent around £40 million developing this technology. The tap itself costs around £999 to buy.
What remains is a demonstration, if you don't mind. If you can sort of demonstrate the tap and then explain to us what you're doing.
So there's infrared sensors on the front of the tap. They detect the position of your hand and they activate the water and the air drying features separately. So if you put your hands underneath, the water turns on to wash. You then move your hands out to the side and it dries them.
Remarkable. Thanks very much.
Remarkable, thanks.